to Medina Restaurant. Do you have any reservation, ma'am?
Yes, please.
May I know your name, ma'am?
My name is Miss Misawa.
Wait for a while, ma'am, and just check the details from our reservation system.
Okay.
Ma'am, based on your reservation details, you reserved table number 1A, VIP table. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes, you got it right.
Please follow me, ma'am. This way, please. Are you comfortable with this table, ma'am?
Yes.
Have a seat, please. Ma'am, would you like to lay the table napkin in your lap?
Yes, thank you.
Here's your water, ma'am.
Thank you.
Our refreshment drink, we have bottomless buko juice and a lemonade. Melon juice, which would you like to try?
Bottomless buko juice, please.
Refreshment drink, you have a selected our bottomless buko juice and complimentary lemonade. Does it sound good?
Yes.
Ma'am, please wait for a while. I'll be serving your selection. Excuse me, ma'am.
Thank you.
Here's your complimentary bread.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your menu of the day for your food selection. I'll be right back whenever you're ready for the orders. Alright, ma'am. Can I take your order now?
Okay. For my appetizer, I want lemon egg. For my soup, I want to try the white sticky soup. That's one.
Alright, ma'am. Would you like to try our chef's specialty of the day? Have our drink beef steak for only 2,000 pesos. For serving, I'm sure you will take it. Do you want to give it a try?
Yes, please. So, for my dessert, I want to try chocolate dessert.
Okay, ma'am. Since you are our most treasured guest, I would like to offer you a complimentary drink. Here's our wine list. Guest list. And for perfect pair for your mom, in course, I would like to recommend our Novelino red wine. A perfect pair for dark beef steak. This red wine is originated from France by Albert Mondavi since 1902. It contains 10% alcohol and heart-friendly. You would like to try, mom?
Oh, yes, please.
Alright, ma'am, do you have any food restriction or food allergy that we need to consider?
No, there's none.
Alright, ma'am, I just repeat your order. For your appetizer, you ordered our deviled egg. For your soup, you have selected the white milky sticky soup. For main course, you have tried the specialty of the day, especially the dark beef steak. And you have selected a Novelino red wine as a perfect pair for your main course. You also have selected the chocolate cum shot for your dessert. And you have no food restriction or food allergens. Did you mention it correctly, ma'am?
Yes, you got it right.
Ma'am, your order will be served. Please bear with us. I'll be right back to serve your order. Excuse me, ma'am.
Left side. Right side.
Excuse me, Miss Cashier, for our orders at table number 1. Please prepare the bill. I'll be right back. Excuse me, Miss Chef, for our orders of table number 1. Please prepare the food and I'll be right back later. Thank you. Ma'am, here's the white milk sticky soup.
Your receipt, please fill out this and say your free. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with your soup? May I clear the soiled dishes now?
Yes, please.
Created from France by Albert Mondavi since 1902, it contains 10% alcohol and heart-friendly, a perfect pair for your main course, which is dark beef steak. Would you like to try, ma'am?
Yes, please.
specialty of the day, the dark lipstick. Excuse me, ma'am, are you done with your main course? May I clear the soiled dishes now?
Yes, please.
Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's the chocolate tart. Enjoy. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with your dessert? May I clear the soiled dishes now?
Yes, please.
Yes, thank you.
Ma'am, here's your bill. A total of 500 pesos. How would you like to settle your bill, ma'am? Is it cash or credit card?
Cash, please. Here's the paper.
Ma'am, I received 500 pesos and your bill is 450 pesos. I'll be right back for change. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, here's your 50 pesos change and your receipt. Please do fix your signature bill. Thank you. By the way, ma'am, how's your food, ma'am? How about your services, ma'am? Do you have any suggestion or any recommendation on how might improve your services here?
You have an excellent service. It's a big thumbs up for me.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for that wonderful feedback. Thank